INDIE makes it easy to provide a personalized and flexible learning experience to your learners. The automation feature allows you to set up rules that trigger actions when certain conditions are fulfilled. Administrators can make users feel welcomed by adding site-level options that offer a personalized first touch with the platform. When adding actions, it is simple to find the right one by browsing the tabs in the pop-up. For example, we can add a membership action that enrolls each new learner in an introductory course. Within courses, there is a large variety of actions that make learning more engaging. You can add rules for courses and modules. These are related to enrollment, unenrollment, re-enrollment, completion, and more. You can add rules that trigger actions at a site-wide, course, module, assessment, and group level. If you want to add a new enrollment action after learners have enrolled, you can also apply rules retroactively. To help learners settle in quickly, you could add enrollment rules that add new users to a course collaboration group where they can find tips and advice from peers. When learners complete all activities in a course, you can acknowledge their accomplishments by adding an action that automatically awards a certificate of completion. You can add completion rules to courses and modules to make learners more active in the learning process. If gamified learning is enabled for the course, you can award learners with points and badges to advance through the game levels and improve their ranking on the leaderboard. This healthy sense of competition motivates learners to advance in the course and have more fun while learning. Rules can also be added to groups. You can add membership rules that trigger actions when your learners join or leave the group. For example, we can untag learners who leave the group by selecting the Remove Tag action from the Other tab of the action pop-up. You're now ready to add rules and automate your courses to save precious time. Sign up today for the 14-day free trial and start creating your first course.